Hello guys, welcome back to our channel VFX Beauty. My name is Mika and today I'm trying out for the first time the e.l.f. Jkissa. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, palette, but it's my first time trying it out. What is new about this collection, or what is cute, better said, it has rainbow colors. I mean, I have checked out her work for some time, and I love her aesthetics of colors. She's so good at mixing colors, and this palette really honors her style and also her commitment to rescuing dogs. And all the shadows have names of doggies that have been rescued, so that's really cute about this palette. I really love it. I also love, I'm gonna mention that later in the video, but I love the rainbow style it has, and I also love that if you are like me, like you get confused by so many color options, you can use them like in lines, you know, like a monochrome color palette, you know. You can use this on their own, like a trio, and make a simpler look. And sometimes you can even mix these two and they will look good, purple and blue. Yellow and green, which is what I have today. Yellow and orange also look good in a look, and orange and red look awesome. So this palette is very it's neat. It's so well organized that you won't be like, oh, what color should I use, what color goes well with what. No, it's organized or arranged in a way that makes it easier for us to pick a color. I don't know you, but I struggle a lot picking up colors because I love them all. I want to wear them all the time at the same time. So yeah. And something else, when you open the palette for the first time, it has inside like a sticker set, so you can actually, you see, you can decorate your palette with the stickers. I don't think I'm gonna paste the stickers in here just because I love how clean and elegant it is, black and white. I'm gonna be recreating this look for you. My phone battery was dying, so I kinda did it in a rush. But you can see how easy it is to build up the colors. Actually, they are very pigmented, so you have to pick them up lightly and build them up. So I'm gonna be using pointed crease eyeshadow from Profusion. I've been loving this brush lately, like a lot. It's really practical for this area. So I'm gonna take the shade Picky. And I'm running out of battery. How nice. And I'm gonna be applying it in the outer V, but really like a straight line, you know, like this, because I don't want to bring it down, because I want the eye to look more up, elongated. I don't know what word will be fine for that. Like pointy. I don't want to make it look too droppy, which I usually do because I don't mind, but today I feel like taking it up. So now I'm gonna take an old brush that I got from Full Spectrum palette by Urban Decay, and I really like this flat fluffy side to apply eyeshadows. So I'm gonna use the shade Tank, which is like a deeper green shade, and I'm gonna apply it in here and all over my lid. And as you can tell, I'm not worrying right now about blending because I wanna put the colors in place first, but I'm gonna work on blending. Don't be panic yet. So even this eye, I could blend it out a little bit still, but since I'm running out of battery, this is gonna die soon. Oh gosh. Okay, These shadows are really pigmented, you guys, like really pigmented. I'm gonna clean it up. I love this thingy. I got it from TJ Maxx. I've been loving it ever since because it's so easy to switch colors on it. Now I'm gonna take back again the shade Peaky, which is like the lighter green, and I'm gonna try to blend a little bit more in here, like the edges, because God forbid we go out with hard edges, like eee. Let me fix this eye a little bit more. It's just that I usually do blend a lot, except when I do videos. Guys, I'm gonna take Yosemite, I don't know, it's like the yellowish type thing. I'm gonna clean it up, and I'm gonna apply it lightly at the end, on the edges. I just want the green to have like a touch of yellow, not too much. Now I'm gonna take another brush, a clean brush from, this is from Anastasia. I'm gonna grab, sorry about that, I'm gonna grab the flat fluffy side to apply initially the shade Regan, which is very rich, creamy, shimmery, glittery shade. I really like this palette. Oh gosh. And I love how well organized it is. But these lower shades that are like glittery apply better if you wet your brush or if you use your finger. I'm gonna use my finger right now. Yep, way better. I mean, the finger is not very precise, but if you cannot wet your brush at the moment, you don't have how to or something like that, you can get away with your finger. Fingers are really, really useful in makeup. I'm gonna grab again Regan, which is the, no, sorry, Tank, which is the darkest one, to kind of join these two lines in the middle. I don't want them to be so rough, you know, so obvious. So I'm gonna blend a little bit more, and I'll be back. Let me see if I can charge this a little bit more. So no, I couldn't charge anymore. Shit happens. The cable is not long enough. So I'm gonna work on this part really quickly. So on this one I'm using Paloma, which is like the ochre type of shadow, but I'm using it like ever so slightly. Like I don't want to have too much on it. This is just like a transition at this moment, you know, to create like a base for the brighter color. That's all it is. So now I'm gonna clean my brush and I'm gonna apply Yosemite, right? The bright yellow. And I'm going to pat it. I'm going to pat it right here. Oh gosh. These are really powdery, but I don't mind. Even though they are powdery, I don't have too much fallout. That's nice. Weird. So now that I did that, I'm gonna grab Firefly, which is the golden shimmer one. Look at that. And I'm gonna try to apply it here and not all over my cheek. I'm telling you, this is hard with the finger, but the finger is the best for this type of shadows. So I'm gonna apply here in the inner corner, and I'm gonna do it here because I didn't do it on this side, because honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you, on this eye I was just improvising, and I said if I kind of like it, okay, then I'll film the other eye. Okay, so let me grab tank, which is the darker green, and try to, like, you know, make it all come together a little bit more. Even on this eye still needs some work. I can tell, you can tell, everybody can tell. I'm running against timing here. Oh gosh. My phone is gonna die. Ah! Okay. Happens to the best of us, right? So let me see. I can stop blending right now. So I'm gonna grab another eyeshadow because this one, as you can tell, doesn't have whites or skin colors. So this is by Profusion and it's called Mattes. I really like this. So I'm gonna grab this fluffy blending brush. This one is clean, and I'm gonna grab the lightest one. Clean it up. And then this one has no mirror. And I'm gonna put it up in here in my arch. You see how it helps, like, to smooth it out a little bit more, like it cleans up the work, especially if you had no time to do as much blending as you usually like. Sometimes I use this technique even with contouring or stuff like that. If it is too dark, I apply like a lighter powder on top. So now I'm grabbing Shockwave Neon Eyeliner from LA Girl, and I'm gonna apply it on my waterline because this part is yellow, so it's gonna make it like even more yellow. Oh guys, this is strong. This is really strong. I'm not quite sure if I like this. It's just too yellow. Oh my god. Okay. What's done is done, because as I told you, I'm improvising because I just got the palette. And if I could just throw all the colors in there, I would. I have no... Okay, I'm gonna save some battery. I'm gonna do my wings mascara because I'm kind of allergic to falsies. That's why you don't see me putting on falsies. Like, it's a mess. I mean, not to the falsies, the glue. So I haven't found a glue that doesn't cause me a weird, awful reaction. So, yeah. And I'll be back to show you the final look, okay? So as a conclusion, I can tell you that it's very good value for the price. It's 20 bucks, I think. And the colors are very pigmented. They are very bright. They are easy to build. They are easy to blend. If you are into, like, you know, starting to play with colorful looks in your eyeshadows, even if you have always done like a smoky everyday look with earth tones before, like you always go for the safe some colors, and you want to start playing with eyeshadow colors like this for the first time, this would be a good palette to start with, because it's not gonna give you trouble. So if you like this video, feel free to subscribe or not, it's up to you, but it would make me happy if you do. And leave your comments below, and I hope to see you on the next video. That's it, I guess. What else can I tell you? I love it. I mean, so